exercise ideas for all my group fitness friends from around the world. Now yesterday I did some standing core exercises. Loads of people commented December and got the notes. So if you want yesterday's and today's, comment December. And I thought I would do a standing exercise and then a floor exercise. But let me know, do you use a good old stability ball? This is probably, I reckon it's my favourite piece of equipment. I love stability balls. Do you? They are just the best for your core. Absolutely are, in my opinion. But let me know what you think. So let's wind this back. Musing is all-time favourite. Pull the lead out. Here's my all-time favourite, Lit number 5. I love this 30 seconds, 15-second recovery. Hello, Shelley. How are you? Did you enjoy the class this morning? Hope you did. There you go. Look, the bot by magic sends you the choreography notes. It's so cool. Okay, so let me get a lightweight. I'm just going to use really light ones, a bit of a baby weight today for this. Okay, so exercise 1, standing. Just get a lightweight. This is only a 2 kg. And come across, bring the knee over, and then you've got a nice oblique exercise here. So that could be your first 30 seconds. There we go. One more. And recover, and then we'll do the other side, and then we'll go down to the floor. Hello, Tracy. Good morning. I've got your message. I will get back to you. That's just reminded me. Remember your voice note. So we're going on this side, and take the right arm up, bring the knees across here, and again. So just try this if you've got a lightweight today in class. So you could have, we've got a slight forward flexion, rotation, the arm goes up. You only need a light weight for this. You don't need anything heavy. So that's 1. Good, up across. Get a little stretch there on my chest and coming up. So that's 1 exercise to go with. If you've got your stability ball, I think this is a wonderful exercise. Do a plank position here. And for you guys that teach online, encourage your clients to get a stability ball for Christmas. So just hold the ball and then do the small roll-outs. So you dig your elbows in and you just push forward and back. If you don't have a stability ball where you are, do your plank and then change the position of one arm. So you bring your arm forward and back, and then you might take it out to the side. Again, you're changing the range, the motion, the movement, the plane, and that works really well as well. So with your forearms down, different positions with your hands rather than just holding a static hold. Okay, let's get 2 light baby weights. Good morning. I love the mini ball better, I know. So I'm going to start with the hands here on my shoulders. We will do a squat and then rotation. So second standing exercise here, core, with your light weights. Yeah, hi Elizabeth. So again, if you want the breakdown, comment December, and I'll get that straight away to you. So nice exercise to do. This is why you only need a lightweight though, that's all. One more. 15 Good. So I'll put those weights down. Good morning, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, so now I'm going to use the step. You could do this on the floor. So in a high plank position, you could do 4 hill climbers and then 4 shoulder touches and then 4 across, 2, and then again across. Good, like that. Here we go again. Here's 4, 3, and then across the body, just like this. Again, here's 1, across, and again that's a nice exercise to try. And then my last one for this standing work, which would be again 1 weight. So you're going to start with your arm up high. I'm going to balance on my right leg.
Exercise
I'm going to bring the elbow behind the back of the knee. So it's 1, 2, good. So you've got 2. There you go, flex. Laterally flex the spine there as you go over. Again. Good morning. Again, let's go. 4, and then I'll do a switch. I'll switch at the top. Ooh. There, try those. So try those exercises today if you're teaching any kind of core or you're doing some ab work in your sessions. Good morning, Alex. How are you? Are you good? What are you teaching today? So going back to your high plank position again. So we'll do 4 taps this time, and then your arms will lift out for 4. So I'm rocking slightly, and again 4, 2, out to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Again, let's go. And there you go. So you have a few more standing exercises. You've got a few more core exercises that you can add into class today. Hope that gave you a few ideas. Wow, I'm hot now. Well done, everyone. Hope that was helpful, everyone. And I'll see you on the next live. Have a lovely day.